We heard in Davos and recently in quite a number of podcasts and articles that managers will have to develop new skills as they manage teams of agents and teams of people together. And I do agree that because agentic AI is semi-autonomous and will be able to take actions, make decisions without humans being in the loop, that there's certainly new skills required to manage that type of work. However, I'm very concerned about the language being used about essentially these agents being similar to a human workforce, replacing a human workforce, or otherwise, that I think it anthropomorphizes the technology. It means that humans are seeing it more human-like than they should, that we need to ensure that we are distinguishing between our human workforce, who require our support, require a living wage, from an agentic AI workforce. They're doing the work, but they're like any other technology or tools that they need to be managed. We need to ensure that they're working correctly, but they are not people. And I get concerned that when people are using language that humanizes this technology, it's a way essentially of justifying costs, justifying replacement of workers and otherwise, and can lead to maybe over trusting that this technology will work in ways that human workers would, that they can be assigned a task and let run at it without any oversight. But any technology requires oversight, even if a human is not directing every single piece of work, it requires that oversight. So yes, managers, we need to develop new skills, but those skills are advancing skills in terms of how do I handle this technology? How do I QA it, ensure it's working as correctly? So everything we're talking about, responsible AI, performance management, is definitely required for agentic AI. I get concerned when people are framing it and humanizing it as another part of a human workforce. It is not, and we need to be very careful about our language.